In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Confluence database in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned Confluence user or brand new to the platform, this guide will help you effortlessly set up a database to organize your information more effectively. So, open up your preferred web browser and let's dive in. First, you're going to want to search for Confluence in the browser's search bar. This will lead you to the Confluence website, where you can either log into your existing account or sign up for free if you're new to the platform. Signing up is straightforward. Just follow the prompts and you'll be up and running in no time. Once logged in, you should look for the Confluence space where you'd like to create your database. Spaces in Confluence are great for organizing different projects or departments, so choose the one that makes the most sense for your needs. Within your chosen space, head over to the sidebar where you'll see a section labeled Content. Click on this to reveal more options, and look for a small plus sign next to it. Clicking this will give you a drop-down menu where you can select Database. By choosing this, you're setting the stage for crafting your own database tailored to your specific requirements. Next, it's time to give your database a name. Think about what the database is meant to capture and how others might search for it. Providing a clear and descriptive name ensures that anyone accessing your Confluence space can easily identify what this database is all about. With the database created, you'll next want to add fields or columns. Fields are crucial for classifying the data you'll input, and you have a lot of flexibility here. You can specify different data types, such as text, numbers, dates, tags, user mentions, or even links. Think about the kind of data you'll be working with, and define your fields accordingly to keep everything well organized. Now comes the step of populating your database. This means adding individual entries or rows, and filling in the relevant information for each field you've set up. This process may involve manual data entry, so take your time to ensure accuracy and completeness. Once your data is in, Confluence offers a host of features to help you enhance and manage your database even further. You can filter or sort your data to find exactly what you need, create different views like tables, cards, or boards for better visualization, and even set permissions to control who can view or edit your database. Furthermore, linking to other Confluence pages or Jira issues can elevate your collaboration, weaving a more interconnected network of information for you and your team. That's it. By following these steps, you've successfully created your very own Confluence database. Now you're ready to leverage its features for more efficient data management and enhanced collaboration. Remember, Confluence is a powerful tool, so be sure to explore its capabilities to suit your unique needs.